get yours in purple, Lori. Oh! He didn't even get the trees. Can you take the plastic off for him? I don't want him to eat